Chapter 32. Okay, Sierra, said Kyle. Your turn. Sierra flicked the spinner. The pointy tip ended up in the yellow 200 zone, so she went ahead and pulled a yellow card. It's definitely for the 200 section, she said, showing her clue to Miguel before revealing it to Kyle and Akimi. Weird, said Miguel. What? Said Akimi before Kyle could. Well, the 200s are where they keep the books on world religions. There are 2 numbers on this card, said Sierra. Maybe this time we need to find 2 books, suggested Kyle. I don't know, said Sierra, studying her card. 220.5203 is obviously a call number. Obviously, said Akimi. This other number isn't in the proper format. 2/20/15? February 20th, 2015, said Akimi. Quick, what happened on that date? Nobody knows, said Kyle, because it hasn't happened yet. Oh, right. Okay. How about February 20th, 1915? That was the opening day of the Panama Pacific International Exposition in San Francisco, said Sierra. Jaws dropped. Sorry, I'm a big World's Fairs fan. Everybody else just nodded. Finally, Miguel spoke up. Look, let's just go down to the 200s room and find 220.5203. We can figure out the second trunk later. The team once again trooped down to the second floor and worked their way around the circular balcony. You guys, said Sierra, looking across the atrium at the statues, remember how they switched all the hologram authors when Bridget Wage did her extreme challenge? Yep, said Kyle. She was doing good till she got to the Russian dude. What Russian dude? Asked Miguel, who hadn't witnessed Bridget's elimination. I wrote 5 or 6 books Sierra could tell you about. Look, said Sierra, now all the author statues are the same ones they were last night. So, said Kyle thoughtfully, if they can switch them around... These must be the clues for our game, ordered Akimi. She pulled out a pen and her notepad. I'll write down their names. Start with the guy under the 000's wedge of the Wonder Dome, suggested Kyle. Right. Akimi read the labeled pedestals and jotted down all the authors' names. Thomas Wolfe, Booker T. Washington, Stephen Sondheim, George Orwell, Lewis Carroll, Dr. Seuss, Maya Angelou, Shel Silverstein, Pseudonymous Bosch, Todd Strasser. So, said Akimi when she finished writing, do you think this game could get any more complicated? Maybe, said Kyle. It's possible that Mr.Lemoncello left a couple different paths to the same solution. Well, personally, I can only take one path at a time, said Akimi. So let's go find 220 point whatever. Should be in the next row of bookcases, said Miguel. Here we go. 220.5203, the King James Bible. Ach, der Lieber! An excellent choice, said a man with a thick German accent. 4 teammates spun around, and they were face to face with a semi-transparent guy in medieval garb with a fur-trimmed cap and a beard that looked like 2 raccoon tails sewn together under his nose and chin. I am Johannes Gainsflesh zur Leyden zum Gutenberg, said the holographic image, who had ink stains all over his fingertips. You created the Gutenberg Bibles on your printing press, gushed Sierra. Ja, big bestseller. You need help with their Bible. I'm at your service. He bowed. Okay, said Akimi, turning to Miguel. Take it away, Miguel. Herr Gutenberg, sir. We're looking for 2/2015. Das ist einfach. Huh? That is easy. 2/2015 is Exodus chapter 20, verse 15. Of course, said Miguel. Exodus is the second book of the Bible. 20 and 15 are the chapter and verse. He flipped through some pages. Here we go. Exodus chapter 20, verse 15. It's one of the 10 commandments. Thou shalt not steal.